We have always been there, when you accidentally spill some water on your kitchen counter and felt too lazy to clean it up. And the next thing you knew, the water had disappeared after a few hours. How does that happen? How could water evaporate without putting it on a stove to boil? In this video, we will go over how water evaporates without boiling. Let's start with the basics. The three states of matter. We have solid, liquid, and gas. The molecules in a solid will only have a little energy, as those molecules will just be vibrating in place. That's it. The molecules in a liquid will have some energy, as the molecules are sliding around freely. The molecules in a gas will have lots of energy, as they bounce around and move wherever they like. To go from a solid to liquid, the matter has to melt, and for liquid to go to gas, the matter has to evaporate. As we go up the energy levels, the heat of each state needs to increase as well. Solid matter has the lowest temperature, followed by liquids, then gases. So let's say we have some water molecules at -20 degrees, which is just an ice cube. As we move up the temperature, say to 1 degree, the energy inside the ice cube also increases, melting the ice cube to liquid water, solid to liquid. And if we raise the temperature to even higher, say 101 degrees, then the water becomes gas or water vapor through evaporation. So how does liquid water become water vapor without reaching 101 degrees? There are two factors, random chance and magnetic pole. As the water molecules slide around, some of them may bump into each other completely randomly. Say water molecule A bumps into water molecule B. Some of the energy carried by A is transferred into B, and this can happen billions and trillions of times per second, as there are over 1 sextillion molecules of water in a single drop. That's 1 followed by 21 zeros. As some molecules gain more energy, they become hotter and gain more temperature. Hot water floats to the top as they are less dense than the cold water, and eventually, they will get to the point where they have enough energy to be evaporated into water vapor. Furthermore, magnetic poles also play a role since water molecules are polar. They have 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms, with the oxygen atom being partially negatively charged and the hydrogen atoms being partially positively charged. This results in the water molecules wanting to stick to each other, forming what we call hydrogen bonds. However, having enough energy can actually break those bonds, so the higher energy water molecules at the top layer will not only have more energy to be evaporated, they also have less hydrogen bonds holding them back compared to the water molecules below them. And so, even at room temperature of 20 degrees, the puddle of water you just spilled may just randomly reach the temperature of it to completely evaporate. So, the next time you spill water again, you can just leave it to science to do the trick for you. Thank you very much for sticking to the end of the video, and I hope that you learned something new and interesting today. Good luck with everything.